Over the last few years, artificial intelligence, AI, has opened up possibilities for the future. From space exploration to melanoma detection, it is making waves across industries, making impossible things possible. What AI careers can you pursue? Despite being a new and niche field, careers in artificial intelligence aren't homogenous. Within AI, there are various kinds of jobs needing specific skills and experience. Let us look at the top 10 one by one. 1. Machine learning engineer. Machine learning engineers are at the intersection of software engineering and data science. They leverage big data tools and programming frameworks to create production-ready scalable data science models that can handle terabytes of real-time data. The average salary of a machine learning engineer in the US is $1,31,000. Organizations like Apple, Facebook, Twitter, etc., pay significantly higher, in the range of $170,000 to $200,000. 2. Data scientist. Careers. Data scientists collect data, analyze it, and glean insights for a wide range of purposes. They use various technology tools, processes, and algorithms to extract knowledge from data and identify meaningful patterns. The average salary of a data scientist is $105,000. With experience, this can go up to $200,000 for a director of data science position. 3. Business intelligence developer. Business intelligence, BI, developers process complex internal and external data to identify trends. For instance, in a financial services company, this could be someone monitoring stock market data to help make investment decisions. Business intelligence developers earn an average salary of $86,500, going up to $130,000 with experience. 4. Research scientist. The research scientist role is one of the most academically driven AI careers. They ask new and creative questions to be answered by AI. They are experts in multiple disciplines in artificial intelligence, including mathematics, machine learning, deep learning, and statistics. Research scientists are in high demand and command an average salary of $99,800. 5. Big data engineer/architect. Careers. Big data engineer/architect. Big data engineers and architects develop ecosystems that enable various business verticals and technologies to communicate effectively. Compared to data scientists, this role can feel more involved, as big data engineers and architects typically are tasked with planning, designing, and developing big data environments on Hadoop and Spark systems. Big data engineers are among the best paid roles in artificial intelligence, with an average salary of $151,300.